Hello friends, welcome to Magnotech YouTube channel. Our today's topic is gear measurement. So friends, there are few attentions to be required for gear measurement, or we can say while measuring the gear, right? So these are the things which we should take care about, that is concentricity, good alignment of each tooth, hardness, accuracy of measurement and all that, right? So let us discuss one by one. Concentricity. So what do you mean by concentricity? So the center point of the gear should be correct. If it is not correct, then there will be a fluctuating velocity will be observed on the pitch line while the transmitting the motion. So it should be a concentric, right? Next one is good alignment of each tooth. So it is also necessary for good alignment of each tooth. Otherwise, load will not be distributed evenly over its surface, and hence load may be carried by one edge only, and it results is high bearing stresses, right? So good alignment is also necessary. Then hardness. When the gear met with each other, there is a wear, okay, wear happened. So it should have sufficient hardness, right, to sustain the wear. And also it's required to see the adequate thickness and grain size have been attained, right? So for that, proper heat treatment should be there, right? Now, accuracy of measurement. So it's depend on measuring the equipment available. There are some inbuilt limitations in the gear itself, like inability to define its own axis of rotation. Thus, if the reference circle of the gear is eccentric, it could be observed in pitch error that we have seen in concentricity, right? Now, the inspection of the gear is basically divided into two main types, that is analytical inspection and functional inspection. In analytical inspection, we have to check all the individual elements. Okay, in analytical inspection we have to check all the individual elements, and it is very tedious method, or we can say very long method. Okay, so we are not going through the analytical inspection in general, but in functional inspection it consists of conducting the running test of gear with another more accurate gear. Okay, so there is a gear which manufactured and one more accurate gear. If we take running test between them, it is used to determine the vibrations, noise and variations in the actions while transmitting the motion. So these are the basic inspection, analytical and functional inspection for gear measurement. So these are the few things required to take attention while measuring the gear, right? So if you like this video, press like button, share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.